Looking for a quick, beautiful project to clear out your yarn stash? Today, we are making the stunning Pink Coral Scrunchie. It's incredibly beginner friendly, made using just 2 rows of Ricorumi Twinkly Decay cotton yarn around a standard hairband. I finished it off with a simple contrasting zigzag border for an extra pop. Grab your 3.5 mm hook and let's make one together. Attach your yarn and just secure it with a knot. Take your hook and place it inside of the hairband. Yarn over, pull up a loop inside from the inside, and then yarn over on the outside and chain 3. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull a loop through 2, and then pull loop through 2 again. And this is double crochet. Repeat this around for as long as you can. The more double crochet you do, the fuller and the nicer scrunchie will be. And when you think you are almost done, grab your work and push all the double crochet to the side. Keep your hook in and just pull and push everything to the side. And you will see you still have more space. So use it and add more double crochet. So when you think you are done with row 1, just simply slip stitch in the corner at the very beginning of the first row. Just make sure you take the correct stitch. So the first row is done and we will crochet the second one. And again, to start with, we need to chain 3, yarn over, and crochet double crochet into the same stitch base. And from now on, make 2 double crochet in every chain space all around. At the beginning of the second row, we will do the same as the first time around. We are going to slip stitch into the third chain at the beginning of the second row. We are done with the main body of our scrunchie. We can leave it as it is, or we can add a little pop of color, a little character. For that, I'm going to use again Ricorumi Twinkly Twinkly Decay yarn, and I'm going to add a nice little zigzag border. In that case, we don't need to cut our yarn, we can leave it, and we will conceal it together with the pink yarn tails just under our zigzag edge. So we're going to attach the second color. You can do a knot, or you can just pull up yarn and chain one. You can leave tail as it is, and we're going to carry it over. Just keep it close to the edge and crochet around. So we chain one, we slip stitch into the next chain space. Easy as that. Just repeat this around all scrunchie. Again, chain one and slip stitch to the next chain. Keep your tails close to the edge and just work around them. In that case, they are going to be trapped, and we can just leave them as it is. They will not go anywhere. So we secured some of the yarn. We can leave a little tails which we'll just cut later on. I will crochet a few more chains, so just to illustrate how to do it. Once we're done, we are going to slip stitch. It's just the very beginning of the row. I will cut the yarn, and I will chain another one just to secure and pull the yarn. You can use your hook to hide your yarn tail, or you can use a darning needle and just hide it in the edge itself. As it's pink, we want to keep it in the edge, otherwise it's going to see through. And that's it. Whatever left, we can just cut, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please hit like, subscribe for more tutorials. Or if you would like to try a different border for your scrunchie, just check my channel. There is a few more lovely options available there.